Bienvenue sur Chanel Jeff Denis 56.
How are you doing? My name is Jeff Denny, your Creole teacher. Let's get back to a new video. The video today is going to talk about the Creole alphabet, how to pronounce the Creole alphabet. Let's see it. First of all, guys, let me remind you once more again, as I always say, the Creole alphabet, guys, is different than English alphabet. Do you know why? It's because the Creole alphabet has 32 letters. Let's see them. A, B, C, H, D, E, N, E, F, G, H, J, I, K, L, M, N, G, O, U, Un, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Once more again, guys, let me pronounce them again. Just pay attention to understand them. A, B, C, H, D, E, N, sorry, guys, N, E, F, G, H, J, I, K, L, M, N, G, O, U, Un, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Thanks for watching my video, guys.